Hey there, Dr. Fedich here. I want to show you around the office a couple other technologies and machines we have here. Yeah, I've been over these rooms. We have non-surgical spinal decompression here. These decompression tables, if we have any kind of bulging, herniated discs, or as we're getting older, these vertebrae start getting crushed down together, that table is able to stretch or open up that nerve space for us. This is a great technology to have in the office. Unfortunately, not covered by most insurance, so we make the fees really affordable. I'll show you around a couple other interesting things we have here. It's another decompression machine over there. If we come over this way, we have our muscle stim stations. We have 3 of these muscle stim stations. Muscle stim is great to help loosen up tight muscles. If you have that tight muscle spasm, sends an electrical signal in there, tells the muscles to loosen up, and it feels relaxing. It's like a great little electronic massage. We have stations of those. Fortunately, also a lot of insurances don't cover those as well. Some do, some don't. We'll check for you. If not, it's super affordable to add on to your treatment plan. Back here in the back of the office, we have intersegmental traction tables. So if you've been in here before, you've been on one of these, he's able to stretch and exercise the spine. There's rollers in there that loosen up the spine. Feels great. We do that before your adjustment, help loosen you up. This is also not covered by most insurances. We do not charge for this. So if you do see us under EOB, there's no fee for this. We do this complimentary. Most insurances don't cover it, but it's just to kind of include in our treatment here. Over in this area, we have our deep tissue laser. So laser light is able to penetrate deep into tissue with a light wave, gets rid of pain, swelling, and it stimulates healing. It's one of the only machines that can do that. Normal ultrasound will penetrate about 1 centimeter. This is able to get deep down in the tissue. Really good for arthritic knees, tendinitises, carpal tunnel, those types of things as well. Deep tissue laser is not covered by insurance either. It's a really low cost add-on that we do have elbow pain, shoulder pain, knee pain. It's a great machine. And of course, our chiropractic adjustment bays, we also do the hands-on adjusting with the machines there as well if we need that. And that's about everything in the office. We're also certified in DOT physicals. So if you or anyone who knows driving a truck or a CDL van, you need to get the medical card for the CDL physicals. I've been certified in them for over 15 years. We do a lot of those here. We're able to do your paperwork, send it to DMV, and make sure you're able to keep on the road. So I just want to show you around the office, a couple other services we offer here. We'll see you real soon.